Hey guys, so we just saw an overview of what we'll be covering in this lesson. So managing blockchain transactions. So the question is, why is it important to understand how to manage transactions?
Well, if you haven't noticed, Jessica, transactions is literally the lifeline of a blockchain. Without transactions, all we have is blocks on the chain, and they're literally wouldn't do anything. Like, what purpose would just blocks do without a way to transact and have a storage for data? And transaction literally allows us to manipulate data and transact, and that's what goes into a block on a blockchain. So it's extremely important to understand the types of transactions and the way we can work with them.
It's a really interesting way to think about it. It's our way of interacting with the blockchain. Otherwise, it's just a static entity right there. So with this course, we have an associated project, so the Blockchain Identity Project. So how are what they're learning here relate to that project?
That too is a really critical question to address. So first, I would like to acknowledge the fact that your blockchain identity is something that you own. You get to manage, and nobody else can manipulate it unless if you were to give them your private key. So it's something that you get to control. Every time that you transact on a blockchain, right, you're going to have to go ahead and sign that transaction with your private key. So it's critical to understand your blockchain identity.
Yes, you bring up some really good points. So with that, let's actually learn about our blockchain identity.